guys, welcome back to my module. In previous chapter, I have said you in depth. I have explained you about WP Admin website development course. In previous lesson, I have explained you everything about WordPress dashboard. What are the things on dashboard? What are the services which you get on the dashboard for easily, very simply. It is easily to create. Okay, everything I have explained you in previous lesson. So do watch it. Okay, now in this lesson I'll be explaining you something about themes. What are the themes, why it is used. Okay, from the word themes, you have guessed it properly that themes are something the look of your website. Okay, so let's move and read what are the themes. In WordPress, a theme is a collection of templates. Okay, it's a collection of templates and style sheet used to define the appearance. Okay, for appearance, while you use HTML, CSS, etc., you have to write minimum 5,000 to 8,000 lines of code just to get an appearance of your website, just to get an appearance using CSS, JavaScript, many more. Okay, but WordPress does it very easy for you. WordPress makes it very simple to make an appearance of your website. They provide you thousands, millions, in fact billions of themes which you can download for free or create one also using their many plugins. Okay, it is used to define the appearance and display of WordPress powered website, the website which is designed by WordPress. It is proven that website appearance looks more better than a normal website, a normal CSS HTML website. Okay, now they can be changed, managed and added to your WordPress admin. Changing a theme via HTML CSS will take more than a week for you, but changing a theme using WordPress, it won't take more than an hour or two. It won't take your 1 hour or 2 hours. It will take just your few hours to change your theme as compared to your coding session. Okay, so it's very easy to change your theme using WordPress. Okay, themes appear under appearance theme, as I said in my previous lesson that where is this appearance session, what it helps you to do. Okay, so there are several free and paid WordPress themes available. Okay guys, now I have some bonuses for you. In the description there is a link given for you wherein you get free templates. Okay, wherein you get ample of free templates which you can use for your website. Okay, so you can go and download it in the description box. I'll show you the live demonstration on my WP dashboard about themes. I'll show you many more themes where it's available. I'll show you many themes available there. Okay, I'll also give you link in the description about the themes which you can download for your normal website, for your business website, for your e-com website or for your LMS platform. Okay, so you can go and download that themes from my description box too. So let's go to our dashboard. Okay guys, so here's we are on our dashboard. Okay, so here's the appearance session. As I said you in my previous lesson, I said you that I'll explain you in my forward lessons. Okay, so this is the one. In my appearance session, I get the first option as themes. Okay, so let's click on here and I'll get ample of themes. Okay, so these 3 themes, whenever you get a website online or offline, these are the 3 default themes which WordPress has already installed it for you. Okay, so we can view also the themes. Okay, like live preview. If I go for live preview, I can see the theme which has already been displayed. Okay, so see, this is the already displayed theme on my website, but I don't want this theme anymore. So I'll simply add new themes to my website and I'll create more attractive look of my website. So see, here we get ample of themes. Here there are unlimited themes for you. Okay, you can go and just download it. Few themes, I'll say you the few themes name, like you can go for Astra, you can go for Ocean WP. That are the good themes. Okay, and it also don't contain a lot of weightage on your website. So you can move forward for that themes. Okay, now from this session, customize session, what you can do using customize, you can customize your website. This is my website. From the customize session, I can customize what I want on my header, what I want here, what I want in my blog session. Do I need this kind of navigations or not? I can just switch it on or switch it off, okay, using my customize sessions. Okay, so I don't want anything to change now. Using widgets, now let's see what are the widgets. Okay, so widgets show something on my website appear on left hand side or right hand side. Here are the widgets. Here are the footers which can be used. Here are the footer 2 which I can edit also. If I don't want this, I can simply go and delete this too. Okay, so this is the widget. Menu session. Now what is menu? Menu, you must be familiar that anything appearing on the head of a like home page, contact us page, services page, etc. are the menu session, are the different kind of pages sessions. Okay, so you can go and create, like for an example, I want a menu. My first menu, I'll name it as menu 1. Okay, I'll create one and see. Now my menu is appearing blank because I don't have any pages for. So I have a default home page. I'll add this to my website. Okay, and now I'll save it. So I'll get my menu. Now this is the background of your website, and how you want your background. Okay, so you can also see. Now just going to this. Okay, we don't have any file, so you can add any file and it will appear in the background of your website, in your background of your theme. Now theme editor helps you to create something unique then appeared in your themes. Okay, if suppose I don't want any button in my website or something I want extra in my theme, so I can go here using some basic HTML knowledge. I can create one thing. Okay, so here are the many options available for you. Okay, so now I think so that you are very familiar with the option named as themes in your WP admin. Okay, so guys, now I hope that you are aware about themes, your dashboard, etc., how you can create one and many more. If you want to create your website and you want more customization in your website, do watch this tutorial till end, please. Okay, so it will ultimately help you to create a very designer and modern looking website. Okay, your website reveals your personality, and if your website is something looking very abstract kind of, so it will ultimately create a good ROI for you. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you have any doubt regarding this chapter theme, so please do let me in the comment section.